Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be doing a flip through of flowers and gems and a quick speed colouring as well. Let's have a look. So welcome back guys. If you're new, make sure you click on the subscribe button before you run away today and click a like if you like the video as well. I'm going to go through Flowers and Gems today. It's a beautiful book. It came quite pretty good packaged. It was in plastic wrap and it had a cardboard in the front cover to stop it from bending. The pages were really thick. They're also spiral bound as well so that you can easily turn over the page and colour with that as well. Also too, the pages are perforated so you can actually pull them out if you need to also, which is really good because it means that if you do a beautiful image you can frame it in a frame if you'd like. There's some beautiful images in here, lots of women, beautiful flowers, some gems, some jewelry. There's also plenty of room for beautiful backgrounds as well in this one. I really have enjoyed going through this book and I look forward to doing some more images out of it soon. I have done a speed colouring up for you of one of the images from the book using Pablo pencils, and I also have a full real-time video split into 3 parts for this one because it's quite in-depth, and that's available for patrons on Patreon. So if you check that out, the link is in the description below. I'll also link the Amazon link in the description for the book as well, and also her Etsy store where you can actually order from there. The books from the Etsy store are signed as far as I know, so they are a little bit more in cost than if to buy it off Amazon. So I actually ordered it from Amazon US. For those in Australia who can't find it, I do apologize, it's not available in Australia on Amazon yet, but as I said, you can check out her Etsy store, or if you have a friend in America like I did, you can get it posted to them and then they can post it to you obviously. So that's everything I have to say about the book. Let's pop in and finish looking through this flip through and we'll go through the speed colouring. Thanks so much for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the little bell if you want notifications. Also you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Vero. Bye guys, thanks for watching.